how to delete repost on TikTok. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can delete repost on TikTok. So the first step is to go ahead and open your TikTok account. When you open your TikTok account, navigate to your profile section showing just below on your screen. So if you are in your home screen, just go ahead and click on the profile section so it's showing below your screen. When you do that, guys, I want you to click on the repost icon showing above your screen. So as you can see, guys, this is my feed, this is my log, and this is the repost. So just go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, as you can see, I've reposted this video, guys, that has 8 million views. So I can go ahead and just click on it. When I click on it, guys, I want you to click on the share icon showing below the video. So just go ahead and click on the share icon. When you click on the share icon, as you can see, guys, you're going to be seeing where it says remove repost. Just down below, you're going to be seeing where it says remove repost. So you can just go ahead and click on remove repost. So when you click on that, as you can see, your repost has been removed. So when you go back and refresh, as you can see, guys, the video repost has been removed. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.